Hey everyone, I'm Adam, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into LLMrefs, looking at exactly how this tool handles generative search tracking, and whether its core capabilities deliver what we actually need as GEO and SEO practitioners. Let's skip the high-level fluff and look at the features it offers. First up is keyword-based tracking. Instead of making you manually craft endless prompts, LLMrefs lets you plug your existing SEO keyword lists straight into the platform. It automatically handles the prompt generation, sampling, and aggregation for those keywords behind the scenes, across multiple models, countries, and languages, saving you an immense amount of manual setup time. Next is the share of voice and the proprietary LLMrefs score. For every keyword, the system calculates where and how often your brand appears in AI answers. It rolls ranking position, mention frequency, and consistency across prompt variations into a single visibility score, giving you a clear metric to track instead of drowning in raw data. Then we have competitor benchmarking. The platform directly benchmarks your brand against named competitors on the exact same keywords. You can instantly see who dominates high-intent prompts like best tools or alternatives, making it incredibly easy to spot new content opportunities or see where a competitor is stealing your brand equity. Next, another massive feature is citation and source analysis. This tool uncovers the actual trust graph behind generative answers, showing you the exact domains and page-level URLs that AI models are citing. Knowing which sites the models lean on today tells you exactly where to target your digital PR, partnerships, and backlink efforts to influence future answers. Then there are the auto-generated prompts and fan-out queries. The system takes your keywords and maps them to real user conversation patterns, simulating things like product comparisons and how-to queries. It runs these variations until it reaches a statistically significant sample size, giving you a highly realistic view of your true visibility. For reporting and workflow fit, LLMrefs offers real-time dashboards and trend reports. You get daily or weekly updates to monitor how your content optimizations impact your scores over time, plus full CSV exports and API access, which lets you pipe this data directly into your custom BI dashboards or client reporting stacks. Finally, you get a complete bundle of secondary AI SEO utilities. This includes built-in tools like an AI crawlability checker to ensure models can read your site, a Reddit threads finder to locate discussion spaces that train LLMs, and an LLMs.txt generator to control crawler access. Now, if we talk about pricing, the pricing sits at $79 a month for their all-in-one plan, giving you 500 prompts and unlimited projects. While it is a newer platform with a slight learning curve, the feature depth is solid. If you want an alternative that ties visibility directly to real browser user views and GA4 traffic metrics, you might also look at Radarkit, which starts at $29 a month and includes a built-in GEO writer. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more such GEO and AI SEO tips and tricks. See you in the next one.